Dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to find last seen in WhatsApp if it's hidden. So also you couldn't do it. So actually, if person just hides the status, so you won't be able for knowing last seen time. So until this user will enable active status on her or his number. So also you could find in the internet many apps, but also actually some of them just you need to open this app and just it must be open all time 24 hours per day, and also it will check when this user just open WhatsApp, and you will see online status, but also it won't show last seen time. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.